I stay patient, even though I hate it. Waiting for the day that you change it up. On my sweater, I still smell your fragrance. My favorite, that is a dangerous love. Put your hand up when I
Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey babes. If you've been subscribed, hey babes. So, got some packages, so we're gonna open them up. Some of them came yesterday and some came today, so let's see what we got. Okay, so this is the black drain piece for the shower in our bathroom, and it's fit. So it's in this box. I'm still waiting for my phone. It's supposed to come hopefully by today. I had to buy another light. I can take it out of here. So it's from, all the stuff is from Amazon. Alright. So y'all know I'll be having my water bottle. I had got one for my husband. Look like they gave me a gift. What is it? Oh, this is I ordered these containers for my oil. So, Susan, hopefully that's in here to put it on. Yeah, you just go like this and then pour the oil inside. And then these are the pours. These are so cute. Okay, so this goes in here. So that goes in here. It should have came with some labels. I think it's in here. Yeah, so you can put, it says like coconut, cartwright. Oh, I got a couple of things here. Chocolate. I don't know if you guys can see it. These are labeled. So you got chocolate, Irish cream, taffy, cinnamon, lavender, vanilla, coconut, pumpkin spice, white chocolate, brown sugar, French vanilla, salted caramel, hazelnut, and simple syrup. So this other one says canola oil, red wine, cooking wine, white vinegar, vegetable oil, rice vinegar, balsamic vinegar, avocado oil, that's what I use, peanut oil, soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, oh yeah. And this is that. So that's cute, so I have to put that up so I can throw this out. And then, Imani, I'm recording, I'm almost done. So, okay, put this. My phone case came. What is this? These are pills? What is this? Oh, these are buttons to put on the outside. Why do they got these bright colors? Look like pills. Okay, this is purple, dark purple, nice and sleek. Hopefully it fits. Lazy Susan. I don't even be remembering what I ordered. Lazy Susan. And I got a 10-inch. I feel like I probably should have got like a 14. They had like 3 or 4 different sizes. But I really don't need to have nothing really too big on the countertop. And I'm trying to hurry up because I'm about to go to brunch with the ladies. So I'm gonna take you guys with me there, but I wanted to show you all of this. Okay. Oh, okay. So this is it, and I'll probably try to see if I can put the links below to Amazon so you can see it. Oh, this is actually pretty cool. So you put them on here. I'm so excited. And then you just turn it, and then have your oil. So I think I'm gonna order 2 more of these because I need like the red wine. I feel like I need all that. And my night set did come, so that is this. But I'm gonna have to put it together. Hold on, let's make sure it's the whole set because I just see knives. I don't even see the rack thing that's supposed to be on. Oh, okay. I think this is it in there. So you stick all the knives in here. It still has like the little plexiglass. It's small, it's cute, and it has a bunch of steak knives and stuff, but I'll show you this later when it's all put together. So right after I finished cleaning up all those boxes, look what came. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the new iPhone. Like I said, I have a Samsung now, so it is so pretty. Like, look at this. Oh, it kind of looks black on here. Let me see if I bring it a little closer. It looks black, but it's like a deep purple. It is so pretty. Oh my God. Oh my freaking God. Look. It's so cute. Okay, so let me see if this, I don't know if I would want to put it on the case yet. I already got fingerprints on it. I need like white gloves. I will need to pack some white gloves with these. So this is just like the charger piece. Of course, they don't give you the base, but it is what it is. So I have that, and then that's it. I guess that's all they give you. All right, I gotta hurry up because I'm supposed to be at brunch, and I gotta get ready, and I hate to rush because you have to be on time. So I'm putting it in here. I feel like I wish I could just leave it open the way it is because it's so cute, but I don't want to drop it or anything. So I'm gonna put it in here. Wait, that's my other phone. But anyway, yes. Okay. Hey, so I'm ready for brunch. I didn't fly iron my hair because I didn't want to be late. So I just left it the way it just kind of looked wavy. But show you the outfit because my phone is transferring now. So it's saying it's gonna take 1 hour and 40 minutes. So I'm gonna have to just record once I get there. But this is the outfit. So it's cold outside. So I just wore this Alexander, what is this? Alexander Wang sweatsuit. And it's just like a gray sweat, the pants, and I wore these Yeezys because we're going to brunch. I like really wearing shoes. So did some makeup. I should put half of it back. I don't know. But nice little beat. And I have it's a Coach bag, which I love. Like the leather is so soft. So it's like one of my favorite bags. I like bringing like a really big bag. So it's just something like that. So yeah, so this is what it is. And I guess I'll record once I get there. Hopefully if this phone charge up. So I'm waiting on my sister to come get me. Of course, they thought that I was gonna be late, but I told them I'm on my new time schedule, so I will be on time. So now I'm sitting here waiting for her. So look who's late, not me. All right, I'll see y'all when I get there.
breeze. I'm walking past when he sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear on my boobs. How can I link you when I got a shoe? Don't want your love, I just want the blue. Grabbing my ass while I'm doing my dance. She keep on staring cause shorty a fan. Gotta stick to the plan. He mad as fuck, I won't give him a chance. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want. Like, bitch, they ain't bad, let's keep it a beam. Don't be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not what it's seen. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking me like that.
Hey, ladies, which I want to talk about in the bathroom.
How good this brunch was.
Yes, and the drinks was amazing. Wait. What you gotta say?
Yes. Yes. Good food, good
You said yes.
Amazing.
So-
Shake got me lit.
Okay, so this sugar scrub is so good. I have to put that in my bathroom. So this is ladies' night, our first
Ladies'
brunch
night?
together. We always hang out, but this is like our first like official brunch date.
And it was good.
Yeah. All right, ladies, thank y'all for being on my vlog.
We had an amazing time. We have to do this again.
Yes, definitely. So we'll bring y'all on like all our little ladies' night. We couldn't really talk and y'all couldn't hear us talk because of the music, but you know, we did have a good time. We were twisted. So
And have a conversation filled our soul.
I think the drink filled your soul.
On that note,
We definitely got
Toasted.
Stay patient, even though I hate it. Waiting for the day that you change it up. On my sweater, I still smell your fragrance. My favorite, that is a dangerous love. Put your hand up when I